All right, so one more question from mechanics. I think it's a very basic type of question, but a lot to tell in terms of the story of Newton's second law. Okay, now this is a body which is moving with a constant speed along a straight line. Okay, very importantly, it's a constant speed. Now the force is not required to. You don't need the force to do what? Okay, increase its speed, which means you want to accelerate it. How can you accelerate a body? By applying force. So you need force, okay? So I need force here. But the question is not required, but I need force to increase the speed. Because the moment the speed goes up, it accelerates, which is only possible through an external force. Decrease the momentum. Indirectly, it means the velocity goes down. From some velocity which was constant, it goes down now. So the momentum goes down, right? Force is proportional to rate of change of momentum. So there will be a change of momentum, and hence a rate of change of momentum. Who did it? Force. Again, force is required. Needs force, okay? You're decelerating the body, stopping it, reducing its speed. The momentum goes down. Third choice, change the direction. Of course, let's think. If you have a body which is moving in I direction, which said 2I meter per second, and you change the direction of the body to 2J, what is the change in velocity of the body? The change in velocity of the body is delta V is equal to 2J minus 2I meter per second, and you brought about this change in 0.001 second, and therefore the acceleration of the body will be equal to 0.001 second, which means if you change the velocity of the direction of the speed also, right? Changing the direction, you were going with a constant speed here, you change the direction, acceleration will be required, right? Which means you still have a force requirement. You need force. Okay, we are not going into the type of force we need to take a turn. If you notice, some of you may be driving a cycle in your campus. If you are bicycling and suddenly you have to turn, right? If you have to suddenly turn, it requires a force to turn. Turning force is required. You just can't change your direction randomly. You will need some force to turn. You cannot turn without uh, needing the force. Let's talk about this. Keep it moving with a uniform velocity. If it is moving with a constant speed, do you need a force to keep it moving with a uniform velocity? No, because the moment you apply the force, it won't be able to move with a uniform velocity, right? So I think the correct answer is you don't need a force to keep it moving with a uniform velocity. So whatever is the velocity, for example, the velocity is 2I and it continues to be 2I, right? You don't need a force to make it move in a uniform velocity forever. It just moves like a new inertia of motion. You don't need an external force. Only an external force will reduce or increase its uniform velocity. Very fundamental question. Please go to my playlist on classical mechanics, which a lot of students write to me as Newton's law of motion. It's basically called as classical mechanics. Go and see that playlist. You will find some wonderful videos which explain you the concepts of different type of forces. One of the very important force you need to learn about is the contact force. So there is a video of mine on contact force, and you will see a lot of questions which come in NEET and JEE examination pertaining to contact force. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel because a lot of questions in NEET and JEE mains and board examination, irrespective of the part of the globe you are, will come from this channel. This channel is known for explanation, detailing, that will really open up your mind, and I think the fear of physics will go away. So keep on watching these. I have conceptual videos, theoretical videos, as well as the numerical being solved. How do you solve a numerical? How do you think about a numerical? So keep watching and keep copying me. You will become proficient in solving the numericals. Thank you very much.